Hi everyone, this is Geeta NG from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to learn about the topic is applications of cloud computing in real world scenario and implications. The list of contents we are going to learn in this topic is introduction and the applications of the cloud computing and implications of cloud computing by considering the real world scenario. Firstly, we are discussing about the introduction. Cloud computing. Cloud computing basically it is known as it is a technology. It allows the users to access the computing resources over the internet. These resources include the servers, storage, databases, and some software applications. This instead of owning a user, it also can maintain these resources in a company or in a house or a company can they can rent them for a cloud providers as a basis like pay as you go basis. In this basis, they can provide a pay as you go basis method. Then cloud computing has revolutionized the way business operate. It provide them with an greater flexibility, them with an great features like the greater flexibility, scalability, and the cost savings. It has also had a major significant impact on healthcare and the education and other industries, enabling them to improve their services and reach a wider audience. This is the introduction about the cloud computing. Now, applications of cloud computing. The first application is business. In the business, the major important roles are the cost savings and the collaboration and the flexibility of the user. Cost savings in a cloud computing can significantly reduce the cost associated with the hardware and the maintaining of the charge and an IT support. Then collaboration. Cloud computing enables the real-time collaboration with the users and it can also maintain the file sharing among the team members and regardless of their location or device. Then flexibility. Cloud computing allows a business to easily down their IT resources as needed, providing flexibility and facility. These are the cloud computing in business methods. Then the other application is cloud computing in the healthcare. In an healthcare, the cloud computing it improved the data management and the telemedicine system and the cost savings. Here also the method cost savings is exist in the healthcare. In an healthcare, the improved the data management is most useful. The improved data management is nothing but cloud computing allows for secure the data and centralize the storage of patient data. It can also be easily accessed by healthcare professionals from any location. By maintaining and data management, the cloud computing it is mostly useful. It secure the data and it also centralizes the storage of the patient data. It can easily accessed by the healthcare professionals from any location it can maintain. Then the telemedicine. Cloud computing enables the remote consultations and the telemedicine services, allowing healthcare professionals to provide care to patients who are not physically present in the same location. If in the different location also we can get the data. Then the telemedicine cloud computing enables the remote consultant and it also telemedicine services allow the healthcare professionals to provide a care to patient who are not physically present in the same location. Then cost savings. Cloud computing can reduce the cost of healthcare by eliminating the need for physical storage and reducing the need for expensive hardware and software upgrades. By considering the expensive hardware and software upgrades, it can reduce the cost of an healthcare. These are the features of the cloud computing in an healthcare. Then the third application is in an education. By considering an education, the three methods are there collaboration and accessibility and the cost savings and the data security and privacy. First, we are considering the collaboration and accessibility. Here, Cloud computing allows an easy collaboration between students and the teachers. It also access to education materials from anywhere with an internet connection. It's one of the major useful to the students and the teachers in nowadays education. The collaboration and the accessibility. The cloud computing it's mostly helpful and it's easily collaboration between the students and the teachers. It will also access to educational materials from anywhere with an internet connection. Then cost savings. Cloud computing can save a educational institution money by reducing the need for expensive hardware and software. As you should hear also, it can reduce the hardware and software in the educational institutions to save money, as well as minimizing the maintenance and support cost. In the cost savings, cloud computing, it can reduce the educational institutions' money by reducing the need for expensive hardware and the software, and also minimize the maintenance and support costs. Data security and privacy. Cloud computing in education, it requires and careful of data security and privacy concerns, as a student information may be stored on the third party servers. Like, then the implications of the cloud computing are, firstly, cloud computing, the implications are cloud computing has revolutionized the way business operate, but it also usefully implications for various industries and society as a whole. Here are some of the implications of the cloud computing. Implications of the majorly cloud computing, it has revolutionized the way of business operate, and it also has a significant implications for various industries and societies. Some implications of cloud computing are the cost savings. Cost savings here is one of the biggest advantage of cloud computing is its potential to save a cost for business. By eliminating the need for expensive on-premises hardware and software, business can reduce their capital expenditures and operational costs. Here, it is in the cost savings. In the cost savings, one of the biggest advantage of the cloud computing is the its potential to save a costs for the business. It eliminates its need for expensive of hardware and software. This can be particularly beneficial for small business startups that may not have the resources, expensive IT infrastructure. Then the second implications of the cloud computing is increased efficiency. Cloud computing can also improve the efficiency and productivity of business by providing the access to data and applications from anywhere. Increased efficiency. Here, it can also improve the efficiency and productivity of business by providing access to data and applications from anywhere, from any location, and at any time. This is one of the major important, and this can also enable employees to work remotely and collaborate more effectively, resulting in faster decision making and better outcomes. Then third implications of the cloud computing is data security and privacy. It is also one of the most important in the cloud computing are to secure the data. One of the biggest concern with the cloud computing is the security and the privacy of the data. Cloud compute Cloud providers must ensure that they have a robust security measures. Then they can get sensitive data from cyber threats and unauthorized. Additionally, business must ensure that appropriate policies and procedures in a place to data and comply with relevant regulations. The fourth implications of the cloud computing is environmental impact. In a real-world scenario, the cloud computing can also have a positive impact on the environment by reducing the energy consumption and carbon emissions. It is also one of the important to in an environment. The implications of the cloud computing, it's one of the major important method. It by reducing the energy consumption and carbon emission, it have a positive impact on the environment. By consolidating the servers and using more energy efficient hardware, cloud providers can significantly reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, business can reduce their own energy consumption and carbon emissions by using the cloud services instead of running their own data centers. In an environment protect, by consolidating the servers and energy efficient hardware, cloud providers can significantly reduce their carbon footprint, and also business can reduce their own energy consumption and carbon emissions by using the cloud services instead of running their data centers. These are the implications of the cloud computing. By considering these applications and implications of the cloud computing, by considering the real world scenario. Thank you.